Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make Qwen AI forget all your saved memories it has been using for context, for example, in the Qwen AI studio and your chats and conversations. So let us guide you through this. So guys, for this method, log into your account on Qwen AI, and here in the web browser you will need to click into your profile icon in the bottom left, navigate to settings, and from there navigate to personalization here on the left hand side. Next, click into memory manage here to the right, and you will see all your saved memories. And if you'd like to remove these, like for example, I don't know, that one here, you may click into this button here to remove the given memory, or click into forget all so that Qwen AI may stop using the given memory, the saved memory, for context in conversations with you if you want to do this, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.